Hey beautiful people, hey, welcome back to another video. So hey everyone, so yes, welcome back. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed as yet, you don't know, I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna ask you kindly to please subscribe, share my video with everybody you know who has a phone. Share my video, uncles, grandmas, grandpas, sisters, brothers. Share it on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook. Okay, help me to get my videos throughout the world so that you know, it can be viewed. It can be viewed by millions of people. Thank you so much. And yes, we will be doing, and let's install some lock extensions. Blonde. I want to say blonde number 613. Like, okay, it's not platinum blonde, but we're doing the number 613. Okay, so my client, so yeah, 40 pieces of lock extensions we will be installing. I already pre-sectioned his hair. He brought 40, yeah, no, well, actually 39, and he made an extra one, like within like 1 minute. 1 minute, no, like 5 minutes. He made one on spot. Okay. Whew. Oh my god. So yeah, his hair, as you can tell, he's like Dominican, so he has that kind of like curls going on in texture, you know. So it was a bit, the length, right? The length is it's long enough, but as for some, it probably wouldn't be long enough. But you know, it took me around 4 hours, a little bit longer than normal, because people with short hair, I tend to work faster with people with short hair, right? And yeah, so because of his texture hair, listen, I work with all different types of texture hair and all that. I'm accustomed to his texture, yes, but they are kind of like short and smooth. They didn't have the like crimp and curls inside, that made them that made it a bit kind of coily or coarse, you know, but it was a bit smooth. So yes, no complaints. Glory to God. We finished, we accomplished. He loved his hair. So this is how I install his hair with the my prong, right? My prong and my barber combs and everything like that. So yeah, and then he also brought a pack of the number 63 blonde, so that I can use it to probably cover the blacks, you know, and to make it even more seamless. Yeah, so yeah, that's me adding the blonde to the hair where I started the install, and yeah, so his hair was washed prior to this video. Like I normally do, I tell my clients to wash their hair before they come and make them dry. Come with them dry as possible, not blown out, just towel dry, so you can wash them like a week in advance, couple days in advance, right? Because it doesn't matter, you could even wash your hair after I install your locks. If I'm providing the hair, the locks, the extensions, I normally wash them before I install them. So you can even, it doesn't matter, the install is gonna be there. It's gonna last as long as you want it to. Now these are both temporary and permanent lock extensions. I can remove the lock extensions if you want. Yeah. So yeah. On YouTube, I get a lot of um questions. Like people normally message me and ask me where I am from and where my business is. So I'm in the Toronto, Canada. Canada. I'm in Canada. I have a lot of viewers from the USA. Hey, you. I know. If you view me from the USA, come on, you subscribe and share my video. Continue to share my video, you know. So yeah, my video is getting around, and yeah, so they message me and they ask if that they, you know what, they want to fly over, they even fly over to Toronto to get their hair done, right? No. Oh, it really melts my heart when when people meet me from around the world on YouTube. It is so it is so good, heartwarming, I should say, when people message me from the USA, like for the different parts of Canada, anywhere you are, like the islands and the Caribbean. I'm from Caribbean. I'm from St. Vincent and the Grenadines. If you view me from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, all Vinci Massive. So yeah, so I finished the four, and mind you, I'm almost at the top of his head now, and the locks, the length, I think they are like 16 inches. Yeah, so they're 16 inches, and yeah, so I had fun installing these lock extension. Yeah, so I love my work. I love what I do. I do hair, I do braids, I do everything like that. So yeah, my client, he really enjoyed love his hair and what's not. So yeah. And some folks, they try to pinpoint where exactly I'm from based on my accent. I am from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the most beautiful island in the Caribbean. And there aren't any if buts, no maybe. That's facts. Okay, that's the fact that St. Vincent and the Grenadines, it's the most beautiful island in the Caribbean. Yeah, I'm from Vinci, and I am a Vinci, but I live and work in Toronto, Canada. Like I said at the beginning of my video, please like, share, comment on my video. Share them with everybody you know, your mommy, your daddy, cousin, great aunt, great grandma, great grandpa, Mima, Mipa. Share it with everybody, okay? Thank you so much in advance. Subscribing. What? Please subscribe. Come on. Subscribe to my videos. You know I do good work. You know I do the good work. I give valuable information, useful tips. Come on, people. So yeah, now see how the locks are looking really good. The blonde color is really nice, and yeah, it suits his complexion and all of that. So at this point I am finished, and I'm using my Vigorol Mousse Moisturizing Olive Oil mousse with antioxidants and multivitamin, vitamin E. Just for moisturization. I do this. I add it, and then I'm gonna dry it, and then I'm gonna use my oils and my hairsprays to seal in the moisture. And that's the gel that I use, Braid Bond, and the Rosemary Mint or oil for sealants. The gel that I use is the Braid Bond, and I did touch on twist. So yes, I did do touch on twist, and I used the Braid Bond gel and all of that. And this is the finished look. So I'll catch you in my next video. Thank you for watching.